I'm constantly having to do that and run over here and get
Bloopers.
What's up, you guys? It is week 10. We started this wood workshop with nothing. My name is... What's up, guys? It is week 10. I started this wood shop with absolutely $0. My name is Alex. Welcome to the Blessed Carpenter.
What's that, bro? We all been thinking it, bro.
Yeah, that's how it goes, though. That's how I'm been doing it. It's cheesy, but it works.
No, for real, for real.
Alright, so
what do we got here?
what's up, guys? Alex from the Blessed Carpenter. It is week 10. This is the progress update video, and let's get right into it. This is the stuff that I got right here. I got the miter T-track. I got the miter T-track to go inside of the... let me show this one out. What's up, guys? It is week 10. My name is Alex. Welcome to the Blessed Carpenter. This...
Hey, you good, bro. You got it.
What's up, guys? This is week 10.
Be you, bro. Be you.
I know.
Like,
and
high energy.
I don't want to talk too fast because it's hard to edit. Like, you can tell I'm talking too fast. Okay. I get too excited. But I'm very excited.
No, for sure. Yeah.
All right.
Dude.
I feel like, we gotta have a blooper thing.
The bloopers. Take two. Ready? Action.
What's up, guys? This is week 10, and this is our biggest week yet. I'm Alex. Let's get right into it. These are...